Welcome to the third video of the competency-based questions for March 2025. This is Pooja's Physics Planet and we are now doing question number 26. When displacement is 0, then work done is 0. He says if displacement is 0, this implies work done is 0. This is right. So, if the work done is 0, does that imply S is 0? This is right, but this is wrong. Work done can be 0. Work is Fs cos theta. So W to be 0, it is not necessary S is 0. It can be when theta is 90. Cos 90 will give you 0. So this is not necessarily means that displacement 0 होने पर ही work 0 होगा. So this assertion is false. Work done can be 0 if force applied is 0, or if displacement is 0, or if angle theta is 90. So assertion is false. Reason, the work done is calculated by the relation W is Fs cos theta. Reason is true. It's a true statement, but it is not a reason for the assertion. So your 26th D is the option. A is false, R is true. For question number 27th, force, work per energy is written in there, but I feel this is a question from the sound chapter. The frequency of stretched string is. So from the chapter sound, it is given in section B of your sound chapter that frequency nu or F, whatever you call it, it is 1 by 2L root T by pi r square D. Pi r square D. R is the radius of the wire. R is the radius of the wire and D is the density of the wire. This can also be written as 1 over 2L root T by small m. This m you call as mass per unit length. So mass is, this is L, mass is m. Mass can be written as volume into density D. If he is saying density is D. So mass is volume into density divided by length. What is volume? Pi r square L D by L. So mass per unit length or pi r square D is one and the same thing. You should know this formula for frequency of stretched string. It's 1 over 2L root T, T for tension. This is mass per unit length, in which pi, r is the radius, d is the density. I have repeated it twice so that you can learn it. Now, which of the following statement is correct? Please note whether he is asking the correct or the incorrect ones. Sometimes he asks you which is the incorrect statement, wrong statement. Here he is asking you which is correct statement. Frequency of a stretched string is directly proportional to its length? No. जो इक्वल के इधर न्यूमरेटर में हो, इक्वल के इधर डिनोमिनेटर में हो, वो दुश्मनी का रिश्ता है, इनवर्स का रिश्ता है, राइट? तो A is false. B, it is inversely proportional to its length but directly proportional to the tension of the wire is again wrong. It is not directly proportional to tension. It is directly proportional to square root of tension. गड़बड़ नहीं करनी सोचने में, यहाँ T अकेला नहीं है, it's in the square root. So even B is wrong. सारी ऑप्शन जरूर पढ़नी है बेटा, ये नहीं B देख के हाँ हाँ L का इनवर्स है, T का डायरेक्ट हो गया, T से डायरेक्ट नहीं है. C, directly proportional to the square root of length? No, length is not in square root. D, inversely proportional to the length but directly proportional to the square root of tension. So D is the correct answer. Question number 28. A ray of light passes obliquely. A ray of light passes obliquely. This is coming here. It should have gone straight. This is the actual path. From an optical medium of density 1.33 to another optical medium of density 1.5. Refractive index is 1.5. This is 1.33. This is 1.5. While passing from first medium to another, please check this out. कि first से second में जा रही है या second से first में. So from first to second. Please remember the one with smaller refractive index is rarer. As compared to the one with larger refractive index, it is denser. So that means the light is going from rarer to denser. तो जब आप बेटा खाली जगह से रश में जाते हो, डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया में जाओगे, तो यू विल बी स्लोअर एंड यू विल बेंड टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल. पूरी फैमिली इकट्ठी हो जाती है, हम बहुत रश है, इकट्ठे हो जाओ, राइट. सो व्हाट विल इट डू? द लाइट रे विल बेंड. The light ray will bend where? It will not go straight. It will bend towards the normal. This is pretty simple question. So the option is A part, bends towards the normal. Question number 29th. You want to register your name for an examination. For registration purposes, you will need a passport size photograph of yourself. When you went to a studio, the photographer told you to sit on a chair in front of a white screen in the room. Now, this in front of the white screen is a dicey thing. It has nothing to do with your photograph. It's just a background. Don't consider that as screen. Okay? ये आपको जान के दे रहा हूँ. उस white screen पे नहीं आपकी image बननी. आपकी image बननी है कैमरा के अंदर. तो where is the image formed? Inside the camera. There's a camera roll or whatever you're using, or digital cameras. So this white screen has nothing to do with it. Assertion A. This is purposefully done so that you as an object should stand beyond the center of curvature of the camera lens, but surely not at an infinite distance. बिल्कुल ठीक. क्यों? बेटा passport size photo means what? Passport size photo means what? It means real image चाहिए, क्योंकि आपको पेपर पे चाहिए, वो स्क्रीन पे आनी चाहिए real image, और diminished चाहिए. इतने बड़े आप हो, इतने बड़े मैम हो, इतनी सी पासपोर्ट साइज में आ गई, यानी रियल इमेज है और डिमिनिश्ड होनी चाहिए, कैमरा के अंदर बननी चाहिए, जहां भी उसका कैमरा रोल है, जहां भी उसकी स्क्रीन है. सो दिस इज, और ये कब बनेगी? व्हेन यू आर स्टैंडिंग, व्हेन यू गेट सच एन इमेज, व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज लाइंग बियॉन्ड द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, बट नॉट एट इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस, बिकॉज इफ यू स्टैंड एट इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस, योर इमेज विल बी पॉइंट साइज्ड एट द फोकस. यू डोंट वांट अ पॉइंट साइज्ड इमेज, राइट? तो assertion is true. The characteristic image of the image formed are that it can be taken on screen and it is also diminished in size. Very true. इसीलिए आप beyond center of curvature बिठाए गए हो, कैमरा से, कैमरा लेंस के center of curvature से beyond बिठाए गए हो आप. Both assertion and reason are true and R is correct explanation of A. Exactly. Please remember, जो पीछे white screen है उसका आपके साथ कोई रोल नहीं होगा. Question number 30. Again a theory based question है. Rivers which originate from the glaciers of high altitudes have a supply of water throughout the year. This is because ice in high mountain does not melt all at once. Underline the word melt. The whole ice does not melt all at once. This is due to what? Melting requires what? Does melting require high specific heat or high latent heat? Melting phenomena needs latent heat. So the answer is, this is due to D part, high specific latent heat of fusion of ice. High specific latent heat of fusion of ice. D part. Next, question number 31. If three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series, underline in series. R1, R2, R3. They are connected in series. When you say they are in series, that means in between them there is no junction. There is no junction. Series का मतलब ही ये होता है कि उनके बीच में कोई जंक्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए, यानी करंट उनके बीच में से इधर उधर नहीं जा सकता. So if current I1 comes, what will come out will also be I1, what will come out will also be I1, because there is only one path. Series means एक ही रास्ता. Series में current same, P for parallel में P for potential difference same, right? तो चाहे बेटा if R1 is greater, R2 is lesser, R3, that doesn't matter. Main thing is they are connected in series. So this is again a googly. What is the relation between the currents? बेटा I1, I2, I3 जो मर्जी बोले, आप इसको I1 कह दो, फिर I2 कह दो, all the currents are same. In all three resistors current will be same. Series में current same रहता है, potential divide होता है. Question number 32. What is the ratio of wavelengths between P, Q and R? बेटा प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड. इसके बहुत सारे मेथड्स हैं सॉल्व करने के. मेरा बड़ा सिंपल सा मेथड होता है कि वन क्रेस्ट एंड वन ट्रफ, जिसमें वन क्रेस्ट एंड वन ट्रफ आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेवलेंथ. यू रिमेंबर दिस. वन वेव कंप्राइजेस ऑफ अ क्रेस्ट एंड अ ट्रफ. दिस इज वेवलेंथ. अब यहाँ किसकी कितनी वेवलेंथ है, ये टोटल लेंथ अगर L है, दिस लेंथ इज L, राइट, तो इस लेंथ में देखिए कितनी वेव्स आ रही हैं, वन क्रेस्ट, वन ट्रफ पूरी वेव, और एक हाफ ये भी आ रही है. अदर वन यू डोंट हैव टू सी, वो रिफ्लेक्शन है. एक देखिए क्रेस्ट, ट्रफ, क्रेस्ट, दैट मीन्स इन योर लेंथ L you are having 1.5 lambda p's. Whatever is the wavelength of P, you are getting 1.5 wavelengths. In this L length, ये भी length उतनी है, you have one crest and one trough, so you have 1 lambda q. And in this length, you have half of lambda r, because this is only a crest or only a trough, either one. आपको कोई एक देखनी होती है. तीनों देखिए, ये क्या बन गया, 3/2 लैम्डा पी. तो यहां से देखिए लैम्डा पी कितना आ गया, 2/3 ऑफ L, लैम्डा क्यू इज L एंड लैम्डा आर इज 2L. कैन यू फाइंड देयर ratios? Yes, you can simply check their ratios, that is 2:3:6 आ जाएगी इसकी रेशो. आई होप यू कैन कैलकुलेट 2:3:6 आती है रेशो. 2:3:1:2 है, ये रेशो बनी है. 2/3:1:2. कैसे करोगे आप, कर लो इसकी रेशो बना लोगे, वो बन जाएगी आपकी 2:6:2 आ जाएगी. 3 एलसीएम ले लो ना, आंसर आ जाएगा आपका. सो योर ऑप्शन इज डी हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. During the change of state of a substance from solid to liquid, heat is absorbed by a body, but its temperature does not rise. Which of the following statement is correct? Beta, if state changes, it's either the state change or it is temperature change. दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं, नेचर कभी इकट्ठे नहीं करती. टेम्परेचर चेंज मीन्स काइनेटिक एनर्जी चेंज. More the kinetic energy of the molecule, more is the temperature, right? And if there is state change, then kinetic energy does not change. Question number 35. Very easy, simple questions. Which of the following combination correctly shows the charges on the particles? बेटा common sense है. A part में वो न्यूट्रॉन को चार्ज दे रहा है, not possible. B में भी वो न्यूट्रॉन को कोई चार्ज दे रहा है, not possible. न्यूट्रॉन इज न्यूट्रल, चार्ज 0 होता है, तो A और B तो वैसे ही निकल गए. सी पार्ट में वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को -1.6 10⁻⁻19 दे रहा है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. प्रोटॉन का चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन जितना है +1.6. अल्फा का 2 times द चार्ज ऑफ प्रोटॉन होता है, वो भी ठीक है. सी पार्ट इज करेक्ट. डी पार्ट देखिए, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को पॉजिटिव चार्ज दे रहा है. इतना तो बेसिक बच्चे को पता है कि न्यूट्रॉन को चार्ज नहीं होगा, ए रॉन्ग. न्यूट्रॉन को चार्ज नहीं होगा, बी रॉन्ग. इलेक्ट्रॉन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए डी भी रॉन्ग. सो ओनली ऑप्शन करेक्ट, इवन इफ यू डोंट नो द वैल्यूज, द ओनली ऑप्शन करेक्ट इज सी पार्ट.